Welcome to Kitchenesia, your cozy corner for all things kitchen design and inspiration. Whether you're dreaming of a fresh renovation or just love beautiful kitchen ideas, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the top kitchen design trends of 2025 that you absolutely need to know before starting your next project. From colors to layouts and smart features, there's something here for everyone. So, grab a comfy seat and stay with me until the end. I promise you'll find plenty of ideas to make your kitchen both stylish and welcoming. Let's dive right in. Warm, timeless kitchens are all about embracing soft beige and cream tones that create a soothing, inviting space. Imagine classic cabinetry paired with natural wood accents and delicate floral patterns that bring in subtle charm. The warm ambient lighting enhances the cozy, elegant atmosphere perfect for those quiet mornings or relaxed evenings. It's a style that feels familiar and comforting, yet beautifully refined. This timeless approach makes your kitchen a welcoming haven, a place where memories are made and cherished. It's simple, elegant, and just right for anyone who loves a warm, peaceful home environment. Modern classic kitchens blend sleek white surfaces with rich wood textures in a way that feels fresh yet familiar. With brass hardware and marble countertops, the style exudes understated luxury. Soft, muted pastel accents add a gentle touch of color, while natural light flooding through large windows creates an airy and bright space. This mix of modern elements and classic touches gives the kitchen a balanced feel, both stylish and comforting. It's a design that's practical, elegant, and perfect for anyone wanting a kitchen that ages beautifully alongside them. Imagine a spacious kitchen featuring integrated smart appliances, designed with minimalist aesthetics in mind. Matte finishes in soft gray and cream create a calm, sophisticated palette, while clean lines keep the space uncluttered and peaceful. Under cabinet LED lighting adds a gentle glow that's easy on the eyes and enhances the room's functionality. This kitchen is all about effortless style and ease, making everyday cooking a pleasure. It's a perfect blend of modern innovation and serene simplicity, ideal for those who appreciate a calm, practical, and beautiful kitchen space. A senior-friendly, smart kitchen focuses on intuitive layouts and safety without sacrificing style. Rounded edges on the counters and warm wood cabinetry provide comfort and elegance, while a soft blue-gray palette creates a soothing environment. Gentle, warm lighting enhances the accessibility of the space and makes it cozy and inviting. This kitchen design balances practicality with beauty, ensuring that every element is easy to use and visually appealing. It's a thoughtful, comfortable space tailored to make cooking and gathering feel effortless and enjoyable at any age. Eco-friendly kitchens are a lovely way to bring nature indoors while caring for the environment. Featuring reclaimed wood cabinets, bamboo flooring, and stone countertops, this design highlights natural textures and earthy tones. Green plants add fresh color and life, while natural daylight floods the room, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. It's a space that feels grounded and peaceful, perfect for those who value sustainability without compromising style. This kitchen is a beautiful, eco-conscious retreat where every detail celebrates the harmony between nature and design. A kitchen that mixes open shelving with traditional glass front cabinets feels light and airy, perfect for showing off beautiful ceramics and treasured pieces. White and light oak finishes create a fresh, natural palette that invites calm and clarity. Soft natural light fills the space, enhancing the openness and making the kitchen feel spacious and inviting. This design balances practicality with elegance, offering a charming way to keep your essentials within easy reach while maintaining a neat, beautiful environment that feels welcoming and warm. The multifunctional kitchen island is the heart of a cozy, practical kitchen. Featuring built-in storage and a white quartz surface, it balances elegance with utility perfectly. A light wood base adds warmth, while pendant lighting casts a gentle glow over the space, creating a welcoming breakfast nook vibe. This design encourages gathering and sharing, offering a perfect spot for casual meals, chatting, or meal prep. It's a versatile centerpiece that brings both style and comfort to your kitchen, making it a space where every moment feels special and inviting. Countertops that combine granite and quartz bring both beauty and durability to your kitchen. Rich earth tones with subtle veining create a natural, elegant look that pairs wonderfully with classic shaker cabinetry. Soft, warm lighting highlights the textures and colors, making the space feel inviting and practical. This countertop choice is perfect for those who want a kitchen surface that looks timeless yet is strong enough to stand up to daily use. It's a blend of style and function that creates a welcoming and elegant kitchen environment. Layered lighting is the secret to a kitchen that feels bright and welcoming at any time of day. Pendant lamps, recessed ceiling lights, and under-cabinet LEDs combine to create warm white tones that balance shadows beautifully. This lighting approach adds depth and ambience, making the kitchen feel cozy yet well-lit for cooking and gathering. It's a thoughtful design detail that enhances every corner of the room, creating a space that's both functional and inviting, a perfect environment for relaxing or entertaining. Kitchen flooring that combines large ceramic tiles with a non-slip, matte finish offers both style and safety. Soft cream and taupe colors create warmth and blend beautifully with surrounding cabinetry, while underfloor heating adds comfort underfoot. This flooring choice is especially thoughtful for aging adults, balancing elegance with practicality. The result is a safe, comfortable kitchen space that doesn't sacrifice design for function, making it an ideal choice for those who want beauty and peace of mind in their home. Vintage-inspired kitchens bring a nostalgic charm with distressed wood cabinets and muted sage green walls. Patterned tile backsplashes add character, while antique brass fixtures enhance the warmth and elegance of the space. Warm, soft lighting fills the room, creating an inviting ambience that feels like a gentle embrace. This design is perfect for those who love a touch of history and personality in their kitchen, blending old-world charm with modern comfort for a truly special space. Space-saving kitchens with pull-out storage and slim cabinetry maximize every inch without feeling cramped. Matte white and soft gray tones keep the design elegant and understated, while warm lighting adds coziness. This style is ideal for small kitchens, offering neat organization and effortless style. It's a clever approach that proves you don't need a large space to have a beautiful, functional kitchen, just smart design choices that make every corner count. A kitchen backsplash with hand-painted floral tiles brings a touch of artistry and softness to the space. Soft pastel colors and subtle gloss finishes create a bright and cheerful atmosphere, balanced by classic white subway tiles around the rest of the kitchen. This charming detail adds personality and warmth, making the kitchen feel inviting and uniquely yours. It's a perfect way to add gentle color and pattern without overwhelming the space, ideal for a cozy and stylish kitchen vibe. Designing an accessible kitchen means focusing on comfort and ease without losing style. Lowered countertops and wide walkways provide freedom of movement, while soft neutral tones create a calming environment. Textured surfaces add grip and safety, complemented by warm indirect lighting that keeps the space cozy and inviting. This kitchen is thoughtfully designed for comfort and practicality, making it a welcoming space that supports independence and joy in every task. A cozy breakfast nook with built-in bench seating invites you to slow down and enjoy quiet moments. Soft cushions in muted rose and beige add warmth and comfort, while a natural wood table grounds the space. Large windows with sheer curtains filter gentle morning light, creating a peaceful and inviting spot to start the day. This nook feels like a little retreat within your kitchen, a perfect place to savor coffee, read, or catch up with loved ones. Classic raised panel cabinet doors painted in soft dove gray offer timeless elegance to any kitchen. Antique bronze knobs add a touch of vintage charm, while subtle wood grain texture brings warmth and depth. Warm overhead lighting highlights the craftsmanship and soft colors, creating a refined and inviting atmosphere. This look is perfect for those who appreciate tradition with a gentle modern twist, offering a kitchen design that feels both familiar and fresh. Mixing textures and patterns in kitchen decor brings character and warmth to your space. Think textured linen curtains paired with patterned ceramic vases and rustic wooden bowls, all in a soft, muted color palette. Gentle natural lighting enhances the cozy, harmonious feel, creating a space that invites you to linger. This approach adds subtle layers of interest without overwhelming the room, perfect for those who love a warm, lived-in kitchen that's both beautiful and comfortable. Painting your kitchen in warm terracotta and cream tones creates an earthy, inviting atmosphere. Soft matte finishes and textured walls add depth, while brass light fixtures and natural woven rugs complete the look with warmth and charm. This color palette brings a cozy, grounded feeling to your kitchen, making it a welcoming retreat. It's a perfect style for those who want a space filled with warmth and character, blending natural elements with elegant design for a truly special kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the top kitchen design trends of 2025. We covered timeless colors, smart appliances, sustainable materials, cozy nooks, and much more, all designed to help you create a beautiful, functional kitchen you'll love. If you found these ideas helpful or inspiring, please give this video a like, subscribe to Kitchenesia for more kitchen tips, and leave a comment sharing your favorite trend or your own kitchen dreams. I love hearing from you. Until next time, happy renovating and take care.